15 to 20 Samo, 2 against 1.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, it's our boys from my friend, Yes, can I see that we have another food challenge? Tough one. This is real comedy and Danny Boy comedy. Danny Boy comedy and real comedy. They said that they want to challenge me on 15 to 20, 2 against 1. Then I have only 15 minor, little, small, minor, 15 Samo. So they have tiny 20 Samo. So they will be using 20 Samo, 2 against 1. First to finish is going home the sum of 150,000.
150,000 naira. 50,000 naira. Ewo. Spanner. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is another section, and they are competing with 2 of them against Spanner for 150,000 naira.
So, guys, are you ready to watch this now? Yes. Are you ready? Yes.
Let's go.
Are you ready? Game.
Start. Let's go. Spanner. Spanner. 15 to 20 Samo. 2 against 1. 15 to 20 against Spanner. 15 to 20 against Spanner. My God.
Stop playing, guys. Stop playing.
15 to 20 Samo. These people that don't know how Spanner eats, and they are still trying to compete with Spanner. $15 to 20 Samo, and Spanner is having only 6 remaining, 7 remaining. 15 to 20. Ladies and gentlemen, Spanner is down with 6 Samo out of 15. I told you guys cannot compete with Spanner. Spanner is something else. Spanner is something else.
Stop playing.
15 to 20 Samo. Spanner is having 4 left. Spanner is having 4 left. To win 150,000 naira. Spanner is having 3 left. Out of 15 Samo, and 2 is going against 1. What a big way, you put on thing. What a big way, you put on thing. Spanner is just pitying them. He's pitying them now. Spanner, please continue. Spanner, continue, please. Over 9-1. 15 Samo. This boy had 15 Samo at a go. I'm not lost Spanner. Spanner, please win them. Let's go. Win them, no pity them. 15 to 20 Samo. He had 15 at a go. Spanner, finish up now. Spanner, stop pitying them. Spanner, help them. How will you guys come and challenge Spanner for 15 Samo, 2 against 1, and he won them? Ladies and gentlemen,
Spanner, help them.
Ladies and gentlemen, you can see Spanner just devoured 15 semo. Spanner just devoured 15 semo. 2 against 1.
English. I cannot challenge me.
The challenge is not yet over. Finish your own now. Finish it. Finish it.
It is not yet over.
Gluten. It's a gluten.
They are giving up already now. What's the name again?
Look at their boss. He's already tired. He put 2 people against Spanner for 15 to 20 semo, and Spanner has devoured all his own. He's looking for more. I thought they were making out 1 man empty.
Come on, guys. Come on.
Ladies and gentlemen, you see the fans are everywhere. They're hailing Spanner. Spanner just won 150,000 naira straight. Congratulations, Spanner. You're unconquerable. You're unconquerable. You can see the boss's face. They can't compete.
If you're ready to challenge me, drop your comment.
Jesus. What do you have to say?
If you're ready to challenge me, drop your comments.
No. Wait for me, John.
There is second leg on this match.
Okay.
There is second leg on this match.
Okay.
There is another third leg on this match. Spanner cannot win my team. Spanner cannot win my team. Spanner, you can't win my team.
I'll meet you in comment section.
Meet me in comment section.